I'm going live now. Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick update of where I've been the past week. Most of you know, but those that don't, I had a death in the family. My little brother passed away, and I traveled back up to Pennsylvania for that. So went through a really rough time with that and needed some time with the family. So just wanted to let you guys know we're back now. We're in the office. We're setting things up a little bit differently right now, getting better angles because we want to do more education with the board, the V board, the watch list. We're going to be doing much more video content and really looking forward to what the new year has in store. We're going to be doing a trade challenge. We were hoping for January 1st. Still working on integrating the spreadsheet into the website for that. So once that's fixed, we'll be ready to go. If you guys have any questions, you could message me. A few of you guys were asking for my email. The business email is dave at breakingchartalerts.com. And my personal email, davesantorellijr@gmail.com. So if you guys need anything, you can message me there, email me, or you can message me on Facebook. And you know, it's going to be a slow week this week, I think. I think retail is going to do fairly well. I just jumped into an Amazon. What did I get? The Amazon $17.95 straight calls for this week's expo for a short-term swing trade, just about $1,500 in that. I think we could make $1,000 to $2,000 on that if we continue to climb here into Thursday and Friday. And Facebook's looking good, still doing fine. Space, as you guys can see over here, here's NVIDIA, if you guys could still see this over here. And let me get the chart up here quick. So if you guys can see here, this is still extending. Here's the range that we have. It's still extending. There's the upper range. Here's the lower range. We're still within that channel there for NVIDIA. But as you guys can see here with NVIDIA, we're getting right up to that upper band of that resistance area. So as you see, we have a red candle now. Still not below the body of the candle from Friday, but still looking good there. We might retrace back down to 230 and then have that next climb, because we had a big climb from about 210 to 240. And those of you that have been members and been with us, we've been calling 240 for quite a while right now. So that hit that, and on Thursday of last week, I said, you know what, I was at the house while the family was making funeral arrangements and church arrangements. So I was at the house there, and I needed to do something to get my mind off things. So I went into the trade room. We jumped into NVIDIA, and we jumped into Facebook. And that was on Thursday. We jumped into NVIDIA, and we ended up capturing about a 50% return on that overnight. Locked in the profits on that. Still holding the Facebook trade. That's for the January 17th monthly expo. I'm going to be looking for about a 50% return on that one as well, at least hopefully. Our space chart here, Virgin Galactic space travel. We were talking about this back when it was at $9 a share. And when it had that 1020 cross there, it looked great. She consolidated for a bit. There's a consolidation box. And once it broke there, it broke that $9.50 resistance area, had a big climb, and it broke $11. $11 was our target on that, and our target was $11 when this was at $9. So, and that was just last week. So that quickly reached target. It looks like it's going to head up to about $13 a share now. So we're going to be looking at that next week here going into the new year. And we'll look at $13 for the target on Virgin Galactic. NVIDIA is still looking good. I'm going to wait on NVIDIA right now. We took our profits on it. We're going to wait for that retracement back down to support. And once we get that bounce on support, I'll be entering NVIDIA again as well. I think 260 is going to be our next target after we come back down to support and have that next breakout. So that's an update, guys, of where I've been. Sorry about that, but wasn't expecting that at all. He's my little brother, and I got a call right before my birthday. So it was really tough time. It still is. So make sure you love your family and tell them everything you need to tell them. All right, guys. And we're going to get ready here. We jumped into an Apple trade as well when that was at about 283 today. I told them in the trade room. So that one's looking really nice. Quick gain on that of about $200. And Disney retraced about at 1.5% today. There was a big flop on Star Wars. It was much on the lower end than the higher end of what they were expecting as far as box office goes. But it was still in the top, 11%? Top 12%, or top 12 all-time box hits, right? Box office hits. So top 12 all-time, that's not bad, but it was on the lower end of expectations, and that's why we saw Disney pull back a little bit as well. Another thing, guys, Boeing. Boeing CEO was fired, Dennis Muilenburg. I've been talking about that for months now, since the plane crashes, saying he needed to go. He had many failures as a CEO, and he could have prevented a lot of those things from happening, in my opinion. So, again, with that new CEO coming in, I think Boeing might get a little pop here, and Boeing chart's looking really great. Let me bring that up here quick. You can see it on the screen and back. It's just getting up to that 10-day SMA right now. It's been in breakdown momentum since later in November here, so still breaking lower. If we get a green candle tomorrow, though, and especially Thursday, I'm definitely going to be entering into a Boeing trade, and I'll look at that 370 to 375 as a target, and with options, that's an easy 200%er if we get in at the right time there. So going to be keeping an eye on that, and like I said, if you guys need anything, please let me know. And I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas and enjoy it with your family, guys. Okay? Take care. Merry Christmas. God bless. And I will see you guys again tomorrow. It's going to be a slow day, but I'm going to be in the office anyway. And Thursday then resumes trading. Tomorrow's a half a day. Close down Wednesday, the markets. And Thursday we resume normal trading. Still going to be pretty slow, though, until after the new year, because a lot of the hedge fund managers, the big money, the market movers there, they're going to be on vacation. They'll be in Florida. They'll be in the Hamptons. So once they come back, we'll start resuming normal trading. Alrighty, guys, take care. God bless. And like I said, have a great Christmas, and tell your family you love them. Take care, guys.